Want to learn how to add shipping address to your Sephora account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to add shipping address to your Sephora account. So, without any delay, choose one of the web browser. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. As you land on the space, tap on the search or type web address option here, and then enter here sephora.com. This will take you to the official web page of the Sephora app itself. So wait until the web page gets loaded totally. Now make sure to get logged in just like me. After this, tap on this your name section on the bottom. That is, you can see I do have an Alexa option here. So I'm going to tap on it. This is my particular account. Now what you can do is you can tap on this orders option and then scroll down and tap on saved addresses. So here is an option of add shipping address on the top, just below save addresses. Tap on it. Now enter your first name here and then scroll down and then tap on your last name and then enter your country and then your phone number here. As you've pasted your phone number, even enter the street address. Choose your street address just like this. And then what you can do is you have successfully added all of it. As you fill all of the information, tap on the save option. So you can see that you have successfully created a shipping address for yourself and you have added it successfully as well. So this is how you do it. This is how you add shipping address on your Sephora account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.